Alright guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and right now guys, I've been working on this car all day, and right now we're gonna put a lip on it. I'll show you the lip right now. So a lot of you guys, if you're not new to the channel, this is the lip that went on the Honda project, so the Prelude. So now it's not designed to fit this car, but going to Import Alliance and wanted to put something on it, and we're gonna make it fit. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, I don't have anything to cut it with besides this razor, so I just marked this on both sides, and we're gonna cut it out, and it's gonna take a while to cut it, but we'll see. I'm gonna just keep putting lines through it. Now it is plastic, so hopefully this will work. I'm doing here, I'm just taking the razor, slicing it a little bit. Now since this is plastic, you just do this a couple of times, and then you just lift up, and you see how easy it comes up, and that's it. Now I just gotta cut along here, and we're good to mount it on. Guys, so we're just gonna pop a screw in this thing and make sure it's kind of level, and that's it. Come here. Alright guys, we just got the lip on, and I figure I'd go to the park and shoot some video there, get a little ride in, and just change the scenery a little bit. So yeah, we're on our way to the park, and now I'm from Duncan. Well, I'm from Miami, but I moved to Duncan. So the park that I go to is Tiger River Park, and you know, if you're not familiar with Duncan, it's in the Greenville, South Carolina area, so you know, it's about 15 minutes outside of Greenville. But yeah, I'm just on the way there now, and I figure I'd just give you guys a little bit of different scenery. Now that the car's running, it's good to have it out of the storage yard, and it's not gonna really be there too much anymore unless I'm doing something big that I can't do at my apartment, you know, like painting and stuff like that. So alright guys, so we got the lip on. Now this lip, if you guys are old subscribers, you know that this lip came from the Prelude, and I bought it for $40 like 8 months ago. So it I had to cut it. I still got to trim a little more right there, but guys, we just threw this on really quick and did this quick just because we were driving down to Import Alliance, and you know, we wanted it to look a little better than it did. So that lip's not gonna stay on there. I don't know, you know, it might not. What do you guys think? I hope the camera's picking it up well. There's not too much light, you know, cloudy day, but it's 50 degrees and it's a nice day. Not too cold, not too hot. It's a good day. But yeah, I think the car looks a lot better with the lip on it. The Plasta dip, you know, I just showed you guys that video. So, but with all of this stuff, the hood, I don't know if we're gonna use this hood. You know, like I said, I might change the front clip, but I just wanted to put some videos together, give you guys some content. And once again guys, thanks for watching these videos. You know, if you guys weren't watching them, I wouldn't be putting them up, so thanks for watching them. And let me know what you think of the lip. I was thinking, you know, eBay has the $30 Type R lip on there, so I might go with that one. Might stay with this one, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna get the Type R lip. And guys, the color change is coming soon. I got the paint. I went down to Summit Racing when I went to Import Alliance. I did change the paint, so I'll let you guys know in the next video what the next couple of videos what the paint color is gonna be. But yeah guys, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't, follow me on Instagram. Guys, if you haven't, also pick up some merchandise from Big Cartel. Link is in the description. If you can't find it in the description, go to Big Cartel. It's under 79th Productions. Easy, you know. But guys, thanks, that helps out a lot. When you purchase merchandise, it helps out a lot. So thanks guys, but catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.